Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize make.com to build workflows for ClickUp. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, open your web browser and go to make.com. Log into your make.com account or create a new account if you don't have one. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create a New Scenario button. A pop-up will appear with various apps. Search for ClickUp in the search bar. Click on the ClickUp icon when it appears in the results. You will see a prompt asking you to connect your ClickUp account. Click on Add to begin the authorization process. A new window will open, asking for your ClickUp API token. To find your API token, go to your ClickUp account. Click on your profile icon located in the bottom left corner. Select Apps from the menu options. Scroll down to find the API section and click on Generate Token if you don't have one. Copy the generated API token. Return to the make.com window and paste the API token into the required field. Click on Continue to proceed with the authorization. Make.com will now verify your token. Once the connection is successful, you will see a confirmation message. You can now select the specific ClickUp workspace you want to use for your workflows. Choose the desired workspace and click on Continue. You have successfully authorized make.com to build workflows for ClickUp. Now you can start creating your automated workflows effortlessly. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.